welcome traders. Dr. Keith in for Rob. Hope you're doing well. It is Thursday, January 30th, 2025. All right, so great day today in the live training room. Hope you're all enjoying that as we're learning about how to day trade, specifically focused on the prop firms like Apex and how we can manage those opportunities. So had two good trades this morning. The first one here, you can see this is on the 1 minute chart on the S&P. The overall trend was down. We had the pullback, and then with Heikin-Ashi, this is exactly what we look for that re-entry. Okay. We also had a HADS overextended here to the downside, positive momentum all the way down here, and so that was the first trade that we did. That was at 10:31, and then just a few minutes later on the Dow here at 10:39, we had another opportunity. This time it was long. Okay, so we had jumping cross churning green, breakout forecast. We basically ran this up, folks, all the way to these wicks and then exited that trade. So that was a second good opportunity. Then early after lunch, you can see here, if we just kind of look at the Dow and what I look for after lunch, and this was on my own. So I was looking, what we look for though is very consistent. So you can see here this afternoon, once we started gaining momentum to the upside, right? Champion crosses green, it starts to widen. Here are the entry opportunities. See the Heikin-Ashi Delta smooth. We talk about this all the time in the live training room. Overextended green dot, or you wait right here, one of the two entries. And again, the exit point is on the red dot here. If you want to look to get the extension and try to look to fund some of those Apex accounts, you let it run as long as possible. So lots of good opportunities today. Come join me tomorrow in the live training room. I hope to see you all then. Have a great night. Take care.